Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful but simple strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Right? This is a very simple strategy but very powerful, and I'm going to be keeping this video very short, alright, by just going straight to the point. Now, before I show you guys how the strategy works, let me first of all share the settings with you. So you have to click on the N icon. The first indicator here is going to be the Ichimoku, as you can see. So these are the parameters. So what you do is to just screenshot everything, right? These are the important things you need to take note of. The important things. So you make sure you set everything same way you are seeing it on the screen right now. So after you do everything, you just click on done, and then under the indicator window 1, the first indicator you have to add is the relative strength index, which is this one right here. After that, what we need here is just the levels. So you make sure you just set everything the same way you are seeing it, right? Period 1, apply to close, style to picture. Just make sure you set everything the same way, but the important thing here is just this, the level, which is the 85 and the 15. The pixel is 2 and the color is black. After that, you go back and then you click on done. Then the next indicator here is the relative strength index, but before you add that, you need to click on this icon here so that it will be added under the relative strength index. Okay, so after doing that, these are the parameters for the moving average. The period is 10, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to close. Under the style we have 4 pixels, the color is black. That is that for this one. After that, you click on done. Then the last indicator, which is also a moving average, these are the settings. The period is 10 also, shift 0. Everything is the same. The only difference here is just the previous indicators data. So here you just choose previous indicators data, and then you can choose any color of your choice, right? You can choose any color of your choice. The picture is 4. Then after that, you click on done. You're going to have something like this, right? Now this is how it works. Just simple strategy. Now you wait for price to get to the overbought level, which is the 85, right? Both the indicator needs to touch it. Now after that, as usual, you wait for crossing to occur. Black needs to cross below the red. After that, you take your 5 candles. So as you can see, this is how it's going to happen. On the main chart, you are going to see that the price crossed below the Ichimoku black line. Then this is going to be the first one to cross on the main chart. Then on the indicator window, you just wait for the black to cross, which is going to be the final confirmation. Then you just take your 5 candles and you are out. You don't need to be greedy, guys. You don't need to be greedy. As you can see, this is not up to the black did not touch the 85, so there's no need to take any entry here. Alright, so it's as simple as ABCD. This is why I say you should take 5 candles. You can see 5 candles, you are out and you will not be caught with any spike. Alright, so that is pretty much everything on this one. Like I said, I'll keep the video short. So if you are a new viewer, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, because here on my channel I post powerful strategy like this from time to time. Alright, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any strategy, you get notified immediately. Thank you, and Silver out.